Hi there everyone. A family member brought this around the other day. She bought it for a gate and she asked what I thought. I said, oh yeah, okay. And then I saw that and I knew straight away that they're not very secure. So I said, well, alright, let's see how good it is. You obviously can see what it is. It's just a gate latch. That goes on the gate and the other part goes on the post. So shut the gate and it's locked, you know. Then you can lock it, take the key out, blah blah, and it's locked. So I said, well, alright, let's have a look. So I got a piece of basically fencing wire flattened out on the end, and I said, well, let's have a go with oh, where'd that go? Jesus, here it is. Let's have a go with a paper clip, see how good it is. A lot of it, the wafers, to me, is the tension. You only very slight tension, and it'll go. There you go. Turn that upside down. It's locked. Unlocked. And she was a little bit surprised by that, and I said, well, don't worry about it. You know, it's only going to be people that, you know, that play around with locks, like, you know, us hobbyists and sporting people and the locksmiths, and of course you'll get the other element that play around with them. But I think this thing cost about $70 Australian. It's got a lock latch written on it, and it's got all the advertising blurb on the cardboard. But really, the only thing that really matters is those words there in red. The last gate latch you'll ever need to buy. Well, if it was me, I'd be deleting the need to part, because this should be the last gate latch you'll ever buy, when you know how easy they are to open. So honestly, I said, you know, honestly, you're probably better off just with those combination chain lock things. They'd probably be more secure than what these things are. These things are just so easy to pick, it's not funny. At least a combination lock will take a little bit longer, theoretically. Even an El Cheapo padlock would probably take longer to pick than this thing. So yeah, it's not all that good. Alright, look, while I'm here, I might just have a go at this. I haven't got a key for it. So I'm not sure. I guess it's a window lock. How it works, I don't know. But anyway. Oh, we try a paper clip again, I suppose. We've got the right part. Yeah, am I going the right way? Don't know, so we'll try the other way. Alright. Gone already. Now it's locked. Alright, that's that one. Yeah, I just happen to have another one. I've got a key for this one. This one, you can move that little sliding bit there and pull that right out so you can have it. I don't know why it's got 2 stages on it. However, so we'll lock it up. Locked. When you turn that lever, it won't come out. It's locked now. So let's have a go at this one. Will I try the paper clip again? Why not? Slippery for me to hang on to though. I will save time here and use the homemade rake. I'll save a bit of time. There it is. There it is. Okay. Alright. Okay. Thanks for watching that, people. Hooroo.